We'll go back to a question to all of you in terms of if there are any trends or consensus around convenient cycle durations for any devices or resins or filters that need to be changed out during the continuous run, every 24 hours, 7 days. Your thoughts?
So we're starting off it's very likely our clinical campaigns will change out the sterile filters that guard the surge tanks every day. I would prefer that not to be for the commercial process. I'd prefer to have filters that are sized for the whole 14, for us it's 14 days, but whatever the process is. It may not be worth doing that, but that's our strategy is right now in clinical, because of the flexibility and the lack of information when we first start off about filter capacity, we're going to be changing them out every day. And also that does help with bioburden control because those filters don't have to be sanitized with hydroxide every time. If there is a buildup of bioburden on the filter because it's doing its job, then you don't have to worry about that film contaminating the surge tank and the product because we're changing them every day. When we go to commercial, we'll have to have a way of sanitizing those filters with hydroxide just in line with the column, and have them also have the right capacity, and that's something we will develop in the future.
Thank you. Any addition to that, Mark?
Well, I think consensus, no. But I think what we're trying to do is come up with schedules that, if you look at the entire process, alleviates having to change them all on one day. So, if you can stagger out these operations, if your continuous process is running well, the only thing operators are doing are maintaining buffers and changing out these filters and consumables like this. So having them not all happen at once is the important key for us.